Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and then press the bell notification, like the video as well and share the video with your trading friends. So subscribe, like and share and press the bell notification. Now whether you are new or old, if you're watching my videos, then below the videos you will also find these links which I want to talk about once and for all. Now, first link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then go and join Telegram, okay? Second link says check out best prop firm and Forex brokers. So you can join these brokers and start your trading journey, especially if you want to trade with my signals, then make sure you have a separate account with these brokers, separate accounts so that we can get the accurate data that how many trades did you win or lose using my signals in that separate account. So go and join the brokers using my link also to support this channel, okay? Because I am doing everything for free. When you go and watch my videos, I give you entry signals at which candle to enter and when to exit, okay? So if you are making money with my videos, I'm not charging you any single thing, and you need to show that why should I carry on doing that, okay? I don't need your money, but you need to show me that why should I carry on doing this for free. I'm not getting anything from you, okay? So go and join brokers using my link. And then there is one more link which I have introduced. Just below that, it says pay fees from analysis, okay? So normally on the internet, people will do these analysis either, in just 2 minutes. They will say, okay, the trend is up, look for longs after pullback, or trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback, okay? I am not doing that because if I do that, that's like, you're stupid, okay? This is something everybody knows. Everybody knows, okay, trend is up, so we need to look for longs. Trend is down, we need to look for. Everybody knows that who's into trading, okay? So I have to, why will you watch my videos? Because I'm not just the some random or the other guy on YouTube, okay? I'm not some other guy on YouTube. I'm something which nobody else is, okay? So whatever I'm giving to you for free is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. You will get to know about this after watching the video till the end, my analysis, okay? And you can watch my previous videos too. So if you think my analysis is worth something or you have made money using my videos, you can go to this link which says pay fees for my analysis and pay whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy my $1,000 course or $2,000 course. That's what normally people get you into, okay? So there is a condition with every trader who's making YouTube videos that join my this program, join my that program, and they're not wrong. They're not wrong. They're doing the right thing, charging you thousands of dollars. Only I'm an idiot here for now doing everything for free, okay? So either we work as a team or I don't work at all, right? So I don't need analysis for myself because I can do it myself, okay? So if you are watching my video, it's your responsibility to contribute in whatever form you can, and especially go and join these brokers because that is free and then you can start your trading. And if you want to contribute towards the fees, you can you can pay whatever you like using the link. And then there's one more interesting thing. If you click on these three dots, if you open my video on your laptop, then click on three dots and you will see this thing called super fangs, okay? So this super fangs which you might be interested in to get your questions answered, okay? So for example, in this live chat, I don't have a live streaming going on my channel as of now. Normally people ask what do you call super chat in live, but in recorded videos you can do super thanks and get your questions answered later on by me, okay? So I thought you should know this. So this is a very cool feature from YouTube that you can click on these three dots and then click on thanks, and then you can increase or decrease your amount. This is a paid feature from YouTube, okay? So if you want to type in a message, you can click here and remove your remove that thanks, and type in your comment. If you want to ask anything and get the answer from me, you can type your question or comment or feedback, whatever you want to say, and there will be an amount. You can increase that amount or decrease that amount depending on your currency, and you can click on buy and send, and your question will be below my YouTube video, and then I can reply to your comments, okay? I thought I should share this option with those people who want to get their questions or comments answered, because understand, people as in people who make YouTube videos like me might not answer every comment which is below their video, especially free comments. Nobody has time, okay? So if you want your question, a comment to be seen and answered, go to the three dots, click on Superfines, type in your question or comment or feedback, and then select your amount, and then click on buy and send. I just wanted to share this feature with you, okay? So I think that's all I have to share with you. Subscribe, like, and now let's start the analysis. All right, USDJPY. So let's talk about the weekly time frame first. In the weekly, we have crossed above the EMI, so we are in the uptrend. Daily, we are already moving above the EMI. So I think in my last video on Sunday, I told you this was your entry and then take your 1:2 ratio. So where is my long position? Right here. This is your entry, and then your stop loss will be somewhere here, and your 1:2 is gonna be that's it, okay? So you take your profits at 149.48. So we can get this done maybe by tomorrow, maybe next 24 hours, okay? So I think in next 24 hours we'll achieve this target. This is a free money on the table, okay? If you entered on Monday morning, I think Monday morning was what date? It was, let me check the date, I forgot. Ah, come on, guys. Let me see again. Let me remove this. So this candle was on Friday, and this is the Monday. Yeah, great, great. I'm great. Okay, I'm joking. So if you were supposed to enter right here on the start of Monday morning, so if you have seen my last USD JPY video on Sunday, if you are lucky, then you're supposed to enter when the market opens on Monday, right here, right here. Okay, on the open of this candle, and then you would have made all these profits already, and then you will close this trade maybe tomorrow when you hit 149.48, whatever, okay, 1:2 ratio. So this is your free money, free trade on USDJPY continuing, and this is the uptrend, so look for longs only, and this is the EMI. Now those people who have missed the opportunity, I think for you, wait for the price to retest the EMI, okay? So if you don't want to get into this trade as a swing trader now, for example, if you are a intraday trader, or for few hours you hold your trades, you can still get into this trade, because as I have shown you in on daily chart, as per what is do ratio, we are still going for 149.50. Okay, so you still have 100 pips to go. So if you want to enter at any time, you can enter, depending on if you know what your risk is, what you like, if you're good with your numbers, your lot size and everything, you know what to do, then you can still get your 100 pips. Okay, but if you want a swing trade, you want the opportunity to come back again, then come back to 4 hour, then wait for the price to retest the EMI, and that's going to happen. Okay, it might not happen tomorrow, day after, I don't know, but red candles will come down till the EMI. That is going to happen, that is written, okay? So the price will retest the EMI, reject it, and then will continue down. So you should either enter now at some point and get your 100 pips. Otherwise, just wait for the price to retest the EMI in the coming future, in next few days, and then enter in 4 hour, and then take your 1:2 ratio again, okay? So uptrend has started, and you will get a lot of opportunities. Make sure you subscribe and do all of that, what we discussed in the beginning. Join the brokers and Telegram, blah, 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 blah. Subscribe, like. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.